Welcome guys, in this video I will show you how camera pro mode looks on the Nubia Red Magic 7S. Okay, so to open the pro mode we have to go for the next to the photo mode, and as you can see right here we can find a lot of different parameters, and I want to show you quickly how we can adjust. So the first we got the shutter speed. Oh, sorry, that's not shutter speed. There is the shutter speed at the bottom, and that's the crazy amount that we can set it for the 60 seconds. And also we can set it automatically. The next parameter is the white balance. So right here we can set the color temperature manually and automatically. Next one, it's the ISO. We can also set it automatically. Right here we got the focus. Exposure compensation, that's the only parameter that we can set up only manually. And right here we can take interval photos. So when you set it up for like 3 seconds, each time the photo will be taken. You can reset parameters by tapping right here. In this place you can change the lenses. And right here you can pick this focus and the white balance presets. Right here you can also add the different filters. For example, this one looks really cool. Here we can change the photo format, enable the flashlight. If you don't know even what is going on here, you can just simply tap on this information icon where you'll find the description of each parameter and how to adjust it. That's really nice guide. So I even cannot describe this in this way, so I can recommend you to enter right here and simply take a look. So yeah, that's how the pro mode looks on the Nubia Red Magic 7S. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.